When it comes to effective weight loss, not all foods are created equal. High-fiber foods stand out as powerful allies in your journey, offering a range of health benefits beyond just shedding pounds. Fiber not only helps you feel fuller longer, reducing overall calorie intake, but it also supports digestive health, stabilizes blood sugar, and can lower cholesterol. Let's explore the top 7 high-fiber foods you should consider adding to your diet to supercharge your weight loss efforts. First on the list is legumes, a broad category that includes beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These foods are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, keeping you satiated for hours after eating. Black beans, for example, contain around 15 grams of fiber per cup. Lentils are similarly impressive, offering about 16 grams per cooked cup. Incorporating legumes into salads, soups, or even as a meat substitute in tacos and burgers can be a delicious way to boost your fiber intake while keeping calories in check. Whole grains take the next spot. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain all parts of the grain, including the fiber-rich bran. Oats, barley, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent options. Just 1 cup of cooked barley provides over 6 grams of fiber, and oats are famous for their heart-healthy soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal or swapping white rice for brown rice at dinner can make a significant difference in your daily fiber tally. Third, we have berries. These colorful fruits are not only low in calories, but also surprisingly high in fiber. Raspberries lead the charge with about 8 grams per cup, while blackberries and blueberries also contribute a solid amount. Beyond fiber, berries are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support overall health. Sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack throughout the day. Next up are cruciferous vegetables, a family that includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage. Broccoli offers about 5 grams of fiber per cup, along with a host of vitamins and minerals. Brussels sprouts are similarly fiber-rich and provide a satisfying crunch when roasted. These vegetables are easy to add to stir-fries, salads, and side dishes, making it simple to increase your fiber intake at lunch or dinner. The 5th spot belongs to nuts and seeds. Despite their small size, chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, and pistachios deliver a substantial dose of fiber. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain an impressive 10 grams of fiber. These foods are also rich in healthy fats and protein, making them ideal for keeping hunger at bay. Add chia seeds to your oatmeal, toss a handful of almonds into your trail mix, or sprinkle flax seeds over salads for a fiber boost. Sweet potatoes are another high-fiber superstar. With around 4 grams of fiber per medium potato, sweet potatoes provide a sweet, satisfying, and nutrient-dense alternative to regular potatoes. They are also loaded with vitamins A and C, making them a great addition to any meal. Roast them, mash them, or slice them into wedges for a healthy side dish that supports weight loss. Finally, don't overlook leafy greens. While they may not be as fiber-dense as some other foods on this list, spinach, kale, and collard greens offer a combination of fiber, hydration, and low calories. A cup of cooked collard greens contains about 7 grams of fiber. Adding leafy greens to smoothies, salads, or as a base for bowls can help you fill up without piling on calories, supporting both weight loss and overall health. Incorporating these 7 high-fiber foods into your daily routine can make a real difference in your weight loss journey. They help keep you full, reduce cravings, and support your body's natural processes. By embracing legumes, whole grains, berries, cruciferous vegetables, nuts and seeds, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, you're not just losing weight, you're building a foundation for lasting health.